Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Dell model and Windows build so you apply the right fixes. Once done, plug the AC adapter in and ensure the battery is above 5% because some power features lock when critically low. Next, open Settings, go to System, then Power and Sleep, and pick additional power settings to reveal plan options. This gives you immediate access to sleep and display behaviors. Make sure to run these steps before changing advanced settings or drivers. You now dive into the advanced plan options to stop aggressive power save triggers. Open Change Advanced Power Settings for the active plan and expand sleep. Disable hybrid sleep and increase the sleep timer because hybrid modes can misinterpret hardware signals. Then, disable USB selective, suspend if peripherals cause wake issues, and set PCI Express link state to moderate or off to prevent link down events. Also, make sure the display timeout and finish by updating drivers and firmware so hardware and OS agree on power policies. You should update chipset, GPU, and Dell Power Management drivers through Device Manager or Support Assist. Then check BIOS or UEFI power options and apply a BIOS update when power-related fixes are listed. If problems persist, use Event Viewer to capture power or ECP errors, and reboot into safe mode to test whether a driver or third-party app triggers the mode. One troubleshooting tip: reset the power plan to defaults before a full restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.